How to build and customize automations with the new automation builder in Wix Studio. To do that, head over right here to your dashboard and then scroll down right here into your left sidebar until you can see this automations tab. Over to that and click onto this automations from in there. Now from there, you should be able to see in here this new settings for the automation. If you want to build a new automation, head over and click onto this new automation option right there. And then you can choose one of their suggested automation, or you can also start from scratch. So for example, let's make a customized notification from there. Let's click onto the start from scratch and it should be able to redirect you to this. So you just need to set a trigger for this particular part. So just head over and then click onto the select trigger option and search in here for triggers. Like for example, let's put in here booking canceled. And then in here, you can select which service triggers this automation. Then click onto this add step. So for this case, you can click onto this action. So for this, I'll choose set an email. And then you can send a personalized email according to your liking. Just create it from there. And once you're done, head over and click on apply for that particular case. Make sure to fill in all of the fields right here about the topics and all of the things that you have right there for you. So from in there, it should be able to be added as the action. And you can click onto this activate in order to activate this new automation. So that's how you actually build and customize automation with the new automation builder in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.